Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to enable two-step verification in your WhatsApp account and secure your WhatsApp account. First of all, we have to go to WhatsApp. Then from options we have to select privacy settings. Then we have to select account, and you have to tap this two-step verification. Then we have to select this enable. uh, Here you have to enter 6-digit pin, which will be asked for when you register phone number with WhatsApp. Now I will input 1234566, then 456. Then you have to enter an email address which will be used to reset your PIN if you forget it and safeguard your account. You can also skip this, but here you have to confirm your email address. Okay. Then yes, you have successfully uh, enabled two-step verification. You can also disable this from here. Then I will talk about your chat data backup. From settings you have to select chats, then you have to select chat backup. From here you have to select your account where your chat data will be backed up. Okay, that's it. Thank you. Like and share our video, and also don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.